Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series, a follow-up on that 994 that arrived. And just want to do a quick video. It was missing the bottom brush. So install the new brush. The E unit was stuck, so lubricated that, and this locomotive is up and running. It even has the original headlight in it. So I've got a Lionel Consist over here. We're going to put this on and run it around and see how it runs. So the first trip around the rail, Marx 994, eBay, 10 bucks, and I was the only bidder on this. So as you see, that is running absolutely perfectly. And that's 40% power. Take it up to 50%. All right, they're straight up 50%. So more than fast enough. Let me slow it back down. So it's running splendidly. No problem with it at all. As you see. Like I said, I saw this on eBay. It was no description at all. It said old metal locomotive or something like that. And I saw what it was, so put a bid on it. That was the starting bid, $9.98. And waited, I don't know, 10, 12 days, something like that. No one bid on it at all. So, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. 10 bucks, had this thing running in 2 minutes. All I had to do was replace that bottom brush. The spring was there, the brush was missing. Hard to account for that. But as you see, it's up and running. So it was worth 10 bucks. Even if I'd only used it for parts, it's worth more than 10 bucks. In this case, it's running splendidly. And I've done nothing to it. A couple of drops of oil and a brush. That's it. So, as you see, you couldn't answer it to it or ask it to run better than that. It's running just absolutely splendidly. So, a Marx 994, 10 bucks. And I was the only bidder. Really difficult to account for that. So anyway, I just want to do a follow-up video. Again, don't overlook the junk. As you can see, this is actually in fairly decent condition. It's had some use. A lot of this is just plain storage. It's been probably thrown in a box for years and years and years. But it's up and running. And it looks like I'm going to have to make an adjustment to the body. It looks like the rear mount for the motor is slightly bent. You can see it's really low on this end and high on this end. So it's an easy tweak. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. 10 bucks on eBay. I was the only bidder. I can't explain that. It's up and running. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.